What up, YouTube? What up, Smooth Crew? What it do? And how are you? Welcome back for another pleasant video on my channel, We Can Read 420. I'm Suave, if you guys didn't know. And, as the title says, it's another unboxing video. That's right, guys, another one. But today, it's from our friends over at Genius Pipe. If you haven't heard of Genius Pipe, they say that they have a smoke-free pipe. Now, the design and what it's made of is what allows it to be smoke-free, they say. As you guys know, I always like to do the unboxing and then use the product for a few days to a week or two, depending, get familiar with it. Then I make the review video. So right now, I have not used the product. We're just going to open it. So, get back with you in a few minutes. Alright guys, we're back, and here we are. We're going to do the unboxing. Now, the Genius Pipe is the next generation smoking pipe which utilizes patented technology used in cooling nuclear reactors designed for maximum smoke draw and extreme cooling. Genius Pipe provides healthy experience with lasting results every time. Now that's the pamphlet they provide. Now that's interesting. It's the same technology used in cooling nuclear reactors. I find that pretty interesting. Now here's the box for it. We're going to set this down. I did go ahead and I did order a carrying case. I got a few screens. I got the Genius Stone, which this stone I'll talk about in the review. It's supposed to be pretty cool. Now, so that's everything in there. So we got the pamphlet, we got the Genius Stone, we got a few extra replacement screens. I did go ahead and order a carrying case. And here we go. This is the actual unboxing of the Genius Pipe. So the top layer you automatically see as the styrofoam. I like that. And here it is, guys. I got the Stealth, the black on black. So, so you slide that up like so, I assume. And you would obviously put your herb or your flower in there. That's pretty cool though. So yeah, that was pretty cool. So this isn't a full review, this is just an unboxing. But so that's magnetized. That's pretty cool. I like that. Anyways, guys, yeah, here's a quick unboxing. You know what I'm saying? The packaging was very safe, very detailed. I like that. It did come with the informational packet. I read the cover. I'm gonna get more into reading the full brochure once I use it a little more here in just a few minutes. And yeah, I appreciate you guys for coming by. The review video will be in a few days or a week. Not sure when. Just subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on so you don't miss the review video. And I appreciate the support, I really do. And I appreciate my friends over at Genius Pipe. Thank you. And until next time, guys, you know what it is. Stay positive, stay smooth, and like always, smoke a doob. See you guys next time.
Take all the fame, I don't want it. Leave my name out of the credits. $100, don't you ever forget it. Yeah, cut that hoe off like a savage. I thought this is what you